Welcome to my channel. See how I'm up and it.
Fiat, otra ley arriba. Fiat 500. Rear bearing replacement. Alright, so first thing you're gonna do is remove your wheel, of course. After that,
It's 12x4, 17 millimeters.
for 70 millimeter for the wheel. Then you're gonna come here and remove these 13s right here. I'm gonna wiggle these out, pull it out of your way. Maybe just let it hang right there. Then you're gonna have two other 13 back here. The trick here is once you get it loose, you gotta take these two out, two 12s. Then once you get these loose, then you're gonna slide
Take them all the way out.
all the way out and leave it there. Leave it there. Then you can take out the whole caliper and the rotor. Then you get a 32. Get it loose right there. There's a washer inside. I need a hammer. Tap it a little bit. There's your washer. Don't throw it away. You're gonna reuse that. And then here's the bearing, which is destroy. All right. So before you put your new bearing, make sure you put some grease in here. Part number. Okay. Here's the new one. Make sure you put some grease right here. Any grease will do it. And work your way back. So you're just gonna slide it in here. Line them up real good. Come on. Like that. And just work your way back. Don't forget to put your washer on. Put the knot back. You gotta reuse everything. That's it. Now we'll bring the two nuts. Set them right there. Okay. Then I get my rotor. Wow, this rotor is done. Make sure you line up the 4 holes, because it doesn't go like that. You got to make sure you see all 6 holes, including, you know, with the 2 you're gonna hold it. 2 12s. That's the 12. All right, so now we get the caliper. I'm gonna slide the caliper in. Oh. Okay, now we got the caliper here. Wiggle it in. Don't forget your cover here. This one was supposed to go in first. But you can still do it from the outside. That's what happens when you try to work so fast for you guys. This can go either way. Now we spin it. It's not dry anymore. That's how you do it.